Namaste once again. So today we will see how the structures of the different planets, including their dimensions and the distances in between them, are defined into the Vedas. And we'll start with the Bhagvat Purana and references given into the Bhagvat Purana. So let's start. Welcome again, and today we will see the structure of planetary systems as defined in Bhagvat Purana, which are taken also from the different other Puranas. Now, why actually I came here is because since my childhood, actually, I believed that we were humans, went on the moon. But after that, we found out that the first landing of the moon was nothing but the lie. If you can even Google or if you can even YouTube the conspiracy theories by NASA. So we'll find out that there are a number of things which are actually under the label of science, which are lied to most of the public. So in the meantime, I started working on researching on the old scriptures, and I found out that the old scripture doesn't resemble at all with the current theories. There is a popular group of flat earths which are actually believe that the earth is still flat. Why we started to believe that earth is round is after before like 100 years, 200 years back. I'm not a flat earther, but still, if you can see the current science, current science says that whatever the law, whatever the rules which current science is publishing, those rules are getting override by another new rules. So, for example, before a few years, it has been said that there is one universe, and that universe is based on completely whatever the assumptions which scientists had made. It has been it has been said that no one can go more than faster than pace of the light. But now new theories are emerging, which says that, for example, string theory, which says that there is not one universe, there are a number of universes. And this is what actually ancient scriptures already told us. They already written on their books that there are n numbers of universes. So it might be possible that whatever we are believing right now can be moved to scrap after like 50 or 100 years afterwards, and there will be new laws. So it's like a small baby who is in a cradle, who is actually seeing the surrounding of his room. He's seeing the light which is coming from outside, and he's believing that, let's say that baby is in India, in Mumbai, for an example, in some city, and from his house he's seeing the light, and from his own calculations he's actually saying everyone that America is x kilometers of the distance, Australia is y kilometers of the distance. But then whom you will believe? That a small baby who is still in a cradle, who is not even able to walk properly. The humans have not even gone to Mars. So whom we will compare? This current science or the old science, where actually old astronomers actually went there on the different planets, different higher planetary systems, and they gave all us the data. I guess I will believe definitely on the old scriptures, especially on this matter. So let's see what old scripture is telling us. So this is a sun. Sun is nothing but the diameter of 80,000 miles, and we can see that there is a moon placed higher with the distance of 8 lakh miles from the sun. Now the moon is double larger than sun. So the diameter of the moon is 1,60,000 miles, and it is traveling more faster than sun. So Samvatsara is nothing but uh, the distance sun is traveling from going from north to south and south to north. So in that one Samvatsara, actually lunar is going through two fortnights. Now, after moon, on above of moon, above 16 lakh miles, there are the pattern of 28 stars which are rotating with the Sumeru. If you will see my another video where actually I have seen how Vedic cosmos actually looks like, you will see that how the sun is moving and how the stars are placed there. So these are nothing but the 28 stars 16 lakhs miles ahead of moon. Now above those 28 stars, above those 28 stars, 16 lakhs mile above there is a Venus, above 16 lakh miles above there is a Mercury, above 16 lakhs there is a Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then about 16 lakhs of Saturn we'll find out that there are almost like 7 stars which are rotating on the pole star. Pole star is nothing but the Dhruvatara called in the old ancient scriptures. Now, about these 7 stars, 7 stars is nothing but also in old Hindu scriptures is called as the 7 different sages who are staying on those 7 different stars, and they are actually well maintainer of the whole universe. And above this, almost like 1,06,000 miles, there is a pole star. It's a Dhruvatara, and it is a abode of Vishnu. And the pole star will remain until the end of the creation. Until the end of the creation means until the end of this Manu, not whole creation. If you see the timelines which are defined in Vedas, so what current science believe is that there is only one time of existence and one time of destruction. But according to Hindu old scriptures, these things are continuously happening every time. So I'll take one more video after on this video probably on the timelines. So above this pole star, 8 crore miles is a Maharloka. Loka, it's not a planet, it's a planetary system. Above that there is a Janaloka, Tapaloka, Satyaloka. And above that, Satyaloka, 20 crores mile, we can see it's a Vaikuntha Loka, which is the main abode of Lord Vishnu. Now, here we will see below of Sun there is a Rahu. Rahu is the son of Samhika, which is very bigger than Sun, which is 2,40,000 miles. Now, eclipses are, the current science says that the eclipses are caused by the shadows, and actually Sun, Moon, and Earth are causing the eclipses. But all scriptures are saying is that there is a planet named Rahu, which is actually causing the eclipse. Might be we have not reached to that stage where we can find the Rahu planet yet, but it might be possible that we may find it at within 50 years afterwards. So it can stay in front of the sun moon for more than 48 minutes, so it's causing the eclipse. Now below this Rahu 80,000 miles, there are three different planetary systems: Siddhaloka, Karanloka, and Vidyaloka. And then we will find the Antariksha, where Yaksha, Rakshas, Pishacha, Bhoot, Jinn, angels all are staying out there. Now here you will find out the Earth, which is 800 miles from the Antariksha. Now below Earth, there are the planetary systems, 7 planetary systems, which are mostly misinterpreted by most of the people as hell. But these are not called as a hell, but these are called as a Bilaswarga, means more material world. It is not a hell, but it's a Bilaswarga. Okay, so there are Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, Patal. These are 7 different Bila Swargas. The description of these different Bila Swarga will take in some another video. Now, after this Bila Swarga, after 240 miles, we will find out the 21 hell planets. So, what we are saying hell is nothing but actually situated here. And the king Yama, the son of a Lord Sun, is actually the maintainer of this hell, and these are the nothing but the 21 hell planets. And after these 21 hell planets, we'll see that there is a after these 21 hell planets, there is a Garbhodaka ocean where Sheshnag and Lord Vishnu, Garbhodaka Shri Vishnu, actually staying there. And this Garbhodaka ocean is like 24 crores 98 lakhs miles in their depth. And on every hood of the Sheshanag, actually carrying one universe. So one universe is carried by one hood. So you can see how much it can be. So this is called as a part of a universe. After this universe, there is one more universe. There is one more universe. So there are infinite number of universes are there. So this is what old Vedas says. Of course, this is a research area. I'm not saying this is completely 100% true, but it might be possible that it can be true because they have given it in so minute distances, measurements, even the descriptions of the different islands, different planets. They even went there and they have written everything under the old scriptures. So this video is made for only a research and educational purpose. So whoever wants to research more or you know want to contact me can contact me on my email ID saurabhshelar@gmail.com, which is given it out here. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. So thanks a lot. And please don't forget to subscribe us. You can go to our website saurabh.com. You can find us in Facebook, facebook.com/saurabh. You can write me for any queries, saurabhshelar@gmail.com. One more very important thing is this is only an educational video. So please, if anybody is got hurted by any of the things, please forgive us. Another thing is we are actually researching onto the lots of different things, especially with to the Vedas and Puranas. So we need lots of people's hands to actually dig into these areas. So if anyone is interested into doing the projects in these works, or anyone interested into going more deeper into the knowledge, definitely can contact us. We also require a lot of donation because we are thinking to create a 3D planetary system, a simulation system which actually depicts the old Veda structure. So definitely donations are also welcome, and if anyone wants us for any seminars or any programs for speeches, definitely you can contact me. Thanks a lot. Namaste.